If you are trying to choose between Keynote and PowerPoint in 2026, this detailed comparison will break down everything that actually matters: design, features, compatibility, performance, collaboration, pricing, and real world use cases. By the end of this video, you will clearly know which one fits your needs best, whether you are a student, professional, or content creator. Let's get started. Overview. Keynote is the presentation software developed by Apple, while PowerPoint is created by Microsoft. Both programs let you create slideshows, add animations, insert media, and present professionally. However, their philosophies differ. Keynote focuses on simplicity, elegance, and smooth visual storytelling. PowerPoint focuses on flexibility, advanced tools, and universal compatibility. This fundamental difference influences almost every feature we will talk about. Design and templates. Keynote is widely known for its sleek cinematic templates that already look professionally designed before you even edit them. Fonts, spacing, and color palettes are carefully balanced, so beginners can produce beautiful slides without design experience. Animations and transitions are also more fluid and modern by default. PowerPoint, on the other hand, offers a much larger library of templates and themes, including business focused layouts, data presentations, and industry specific designs. It also gives you deeper control over slide structure, allowing you to customize almost every visual element. Designers who like precision and flexibility often prefer PowerPoint for this reason. Ease of use. Keynote is generally easier to learn. Its interface is clean, tools are logically grouped, and most actions are drag and drop. Even if you have never used presentation software before, you can understand the basics within minutes. PowerPoint has more menus, more options, and more advanced panels. That can feel overwhelming at first, but it also means you can do far more once you learn it. Beginners may prefer Keynote, while experienced users or professionals often benefit from PowerPoint's expanded toolkit. Compatibility. Compatibility is one of PowerPoint's strongest advantages. It runs on Windows, Mac, web browsers, tablets, and phones with consistent performance. It's also the global industry standard, meaning most schools, companies, and conferences expect PowerPoint files. Keynote works best inside Apple's ecosystem. While it does have a browser version, its smoothest performance and full feature set are available mainly on Mac, iPhone, and iPad. If you regularly share presentations with mixed device users, PowerPoint is usually safer. Collaboration. Both tools support real-time collaboration, letting multiple people edit a presentation simultaneously. PowerPoint is especially strong in team environments because it integrates deeply with workplace productivity systems and shared cloud storage. This makes it ideal for corporate teams and remote collaboration. Keynote also supports live collaboration through cloud sharing, and it works very smoothly, but it is most convenient when everyone involved uses Apple devices. Advanced features. PowerPoint stands out for professional level tools. It includes advanced chart builders, data visualization options, recording tools for presentations, add ins, automation features, and AI assisted design suggestions. These features make it especially useful for analysts, educators, and business professionals. Keynote focuses more on presentation quality than complexity. Its transitions look more cinematic, motion paths are smoother, and visual effects feel more polished. For storytelling pitches or creative presentations, many users find Keynote's visuals more impressive. File sharing and formats. PowerPoint files are universally recognized and supported almost everywhere. Sending a PPTX file is usually the safest choice when you do not know what software the other person uses. Keynote can export to PowerPoint, PDF, and video formats, which is helpful, but complex animations or fonts sometimes do not transfer perfectly when converted. So if compatibility is critical, PowerPoint still has the edge. Performance and stability. Performance can matter a lot, especially for larger presentations. Keynote is extremely optimized for Apple hardware, which means it runs very smoothly even with heavy animations and high resolution media. Crashes and lag are rare. PowerPoint's performance depends more on your device. On powerful systems, it runs flawlessly, but on lower end machines, very complex presentations can sometimes slow down. However, its stability and reliability have improved significantly in recent versions. Best use case scenarios. Choose Keynote if you use Apple devices daily, if you want visually stunning slides quickly, if you care more about design than technical features, if you give creative presentations, pitches, or portfolios. And choose PowerPoint if you work in business, education, or corporate settings, need maximum capability with others, use complex charts, data, or integrations, want the most powerful presentation toolkit available. Final verdict. In simple terms, Keynote is the best choice for beautiful design focused presentations inside the Apple ecosystem. PowerPoint remains the most powerful, flexible, and universally accepted presentation software in 2026. There is no single winner, it depends entirely on how and where you plan to present. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.